Hello, quick unboxing. This one is the Nest Cam, the Google Nest Cam. Tiny box, quite heavy, but surprisingly small box. This is the indoor or outdoor camera. 1080p, night vision, phone alerts. I think it does up to 3 hours of recording. Wire-free installation and strong magnets. So stand back if you have a pacemaker. Works with Hey Google. That's about it on the box. How do we open it? Here we go. I'm shooting this on the Pixel 6 Pro, by the way, so that'll give you an idea of the video. This is on the main camera, just a 1x zoom at 4K. Ooh. Save this QR code. Oh my goodness. So that's a magnetic base. I'll just put it on the laptop here. Probably broken the screen. Not a good start. Keep that in mind when you're unboxing it. So how does this work then? Scan the QR code. We'll do that later. What else is in the box? So, wall plugs, bracket, screws. It gives you screws and a wall plug. That's very kind. You actually get a plug and a cable to charge it with. That's very generous. You don't get a mains plug on the Pixel 6, but you get one on the camera, even though, well, I suppose you do. It runs on battery, but you can have it plugged in, so that makes sense, I guess. And that's it. Let's get started. It's quite hard doing this one hand. So what do? So you have to plug it in, download the Google Home app, and then add a camera. And that's it. Simple. So what's included? The Nest Cam, magnetic plate, wall plate, screws, anchor, charging cable, power adapter. So yeah, I've not missed anything. So I guess if you're mounting outside, you attach that to the wall, and then I assume, yeah, you can see it twists onto it. Right. So I assume that's a speaker. And there should be a microphone on here somewhere. Let's have a look underneath this. So this is what was under the label. So here's the camera. I assume that's a mic on the front. So yeah, there's a mic there and a speaker on the bottom. It looks like there's a screw there for mounting. There must be another sort of mount you can get to put it on there. It looks like a standard screw, like similar to the ones you get on a tripod. Let's set it up. What are you setting up as a camera? Nest Cam indoor or outdoor. Right, so it's asking to scan this QR code. There we go. Usage, blah blah blah. No, thank you. Plug in your camera, done that. Where are you putting the camera? It's going to be outdoors. Alright, there we go. Check your camera's view. Oh yeah, it's working. There you go, there's a nice flower. Quality seems right. It's quite light in here. It's a little bit pixelated. Well, no, it's cleared up nicely. Yeah, good quality. What will you use to mount it? Magnetic case. Okay, yeah, the magnetic mount. It will end up on brick. Not interested in that. So 1.8 to 2 meters is recommended. That's fine. If you plan to mount it higher than 2 meters, you need to purchase the mount accessory. Not in stock at the moment. The one that where is it? Well, that's not even linked to the right one. Let me show you where it is. not a speaker. Camera. I think you've got to add it to basket to then see the accessories, maybe. Let's have a look. Yeah, this anti-theft mount, £15, but it's out of stock, so I've got it without that. So someone could just come along and grab it. I'm sure I remember seeing something on the website about having a theft guarantee, so if someone does nick it, they replace it for free. We shall see, let's hope so. Mark and drill the holes, push the anchors in the holes, and yeah, screw the plate on. That's all simple stuff. Attach a magnetic plate to the wall, yeah, and then just plop your camera on it. Adjust the view. Camera on, live view. When the light on the camera is blinking green, a home member is viewing the live videos. Nice little privacy feature. Video recording. Yeah. Microphone, audio recording. Yeah, might as well. Nice to be nosy, isn't it? Trying this to work for free. Nah. Keep up to date. No, thank you. So here it is charging. See what I mean about the cable? Like a MagSafe one, really fancy. Like that. I could do that all day. I'm just going to leave it to charge up now, and then we'll put it on the wall. Let me show you the magnetic case. It's hard to take off one-handed, but no, I can't even do it one-handed. It's a strong magnet. So my concern is if in high winds it will get blown off, but I think it will really have to be gale force winds for it to go. Let's see. Look how magnetic it is. Ooh, I mean that's pretty strong. So here's the camera. It's been up for a couple of weeks now. It's at 42% already. So yeah, the battery's not lasting long. I think it's in too much of an active spot. So it sees too much. Admittedly, a lot of it doesn't need to see. So I need to change the heat map. Let's have a quick look. So here it is, night time. To give you an idea of the night vision, pretty good. Let's go into settings. Doesn't really many options there. Events. So this is what you can do. You add a zone. Takes a while to load, but here, while that's going, here you can set it to alert you if it sees people, animals, or vehicles. And motion, which just means anything basically. Why is this taking so long? I'm not actually in that house at the moment, so maybe that's why it's going over the internet. Let's go back. Video quality. You can make it better quality, but that affects battery. Night vision, always on. I don't know, where do you use that? If it's in a dark room the whole time, maybe. Status light, maximum video length, 30 seconds. It's a default. The longer the length, the worse the battery. Wake up sensitivity, I've just left that as medium. Video history, when you're on Nest Aware, it's 30 days. One thing I thought when I first got it, it said 3 hours of free history, and I thought it meant 3 hours worth of clips. So I thought, oh great, I won't need Nest Aware because 3 hours is plenty. But what it means is 3 hours rolling. So it will save events in the past 3 hours, and then that's it. Which basically means overnight it's no good. If something happens overnight, 3 hours would have passed, so you won't see it. So you really need a Nest Aware subscription. Bit annoying. So here's the how do you edit the zone? Here we go. Edit the zone shape. Slow. There we go. So you can say this is the important stuff that I want to say. You can change this. So if you want to include that road, you just bring that up here and then you save it. I'm not going to save it, but that's about it. Right. If you have any questions, let me know.